Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. So, on today's video we have the Oraimo Power Strip Tower with USB built in. So these things have become pretty popular nowadays. They're pretty much just power strips with surge protection, but they also come with USB charging. So this one's got 3 USB Type A's, a USB Type C, and 12 outlets that you can plug into. You can use any of your devices. And so what we're going to do next is unbox it, review it, test it, and see if it's worth the buy. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. Yeah, I'm very excited about this. I can actually use another one of these. They're just so helpful to have. You can plug in and then plug your USBs in, charge everything all at once. Alright, so let's see what's in the bottom of the box. Okay, so we got our manual. Okay. Awesome. Extended 2-year warranty. Great. Alright, just from handling it. Oh, the cord is nice and thick, really strong, very good quality. Feels really good. And look at this here. You got this rotating cable, which this is fantastic. 90 degrees. I'm glad they put that in. There you have your little circuit reset button there, just in case the circuit trips. Your 12 power plugs here. This thing is ultra small size. USB Type C. We have the 20-watt fast charge for the USB Type C, which is fantastic. Your rotating extension cord, surge protection, and overload protection. At the top there, you have your power button. This thing has got everything you need built right in. It feels really good. Should be really safe as well. Alright, so let's get this thing tested. Alright, nice snug fit right in the outlet there. You press the power button up top and you should get a light there right at the bottom showing you that the outlets are on. So what I'm going to be doing is plugging in a USB Type C to Type C phone, and I just want to measure what we get. Let's see if it actually pulls up the 20 watts. Okay, so let's climb in. Let's see, 760, 1060 milliamps, 1500, 1940. This is great. We're reaching max. Okay, so we got 2330 milliamps, which is fantastic. And as you can see by the cable, we are popping 20 watts there. So that thing is a fast charger and works really well. Alright, so now I'm just going to plug in a second phone to the USB Type A slot. Just want to make sure that both charge at the same time, and we'll see how much power we lose. Okay, so I'll speed up the video here. You can see we're still going to be rocking 2100 milliamps at 15 watts, which is great. So you're not losing too much power with the second device plugged in. And you can see that phone's still charging. Alright, so last thing we're going to do is I'm going to plug in 2 devices. Just make sure that this thing doesn't trip a circuit. Okay, so we still got the phones charging there. We're all good. 2 devices plugged in. It's drawing quite a bit of power. So here, this is going to be my air filter. A little dirty there. Sorry about that. And then our little water machine here. Forgot the name of that, but it's fine. And we'll plug it in. So everything is on, charging, working, fantastic. So that is the Oraimo Power Strip Tower with surge protection and USB charging built right into this thing. Absolutely fantastic, feels good, and it's pretty darn cheap. So if you guys want it, you know where to find it. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.